everyone, and welcome to another roller coaster ride as we get through another day of COVID. My name is Kathy Sabater, mortgage planner and proud veteran. Hey, the stock markets are up as they're excited about the economy going up. I know most of us are waiting for phase three, get our hair done. Anyway, with that being said, do know that purchases are up for the 6 straight weeks. So, what does that mean? As of last year to today, it's up 9%. April numbers, of course, were lower, but that's still pretty impressive considering we're here in this COVID ride. Um, Forbearance. There's 4.2 million people in forbearance, but guess what? 40% of those families are actually paying their mortgages. And we talked about the yield, right? Curve control. Feds again are doing a fantastic job. Notice the volatility that was there, and now notice how they are just managing this accordingly. Okay. And when they do this right now, they're buying 4.77 billion. So as they continue to taper off, not buying or investing as much on the mortgage-backed securities, we're going to see how the rates are going to fluctuate upwards or down, right? Right now, the stochastic, if we break through the 25-day average, then it should trend downwards. Hey, you have any questions or concerns for me? Give me a call, 619-846-2675. Stay safe.